Hi, this is to demonstrate how IBM MQ reply to alias works. This is based on IBM documentation. If you search Google using reply to Q alias, the first URL is the URL we're going to use in this demo. It mentions two Q managers of this test, but other pieces is not mentioned here. So in this test, I made up the missing pieces to make it complete. First thing to do, we're going to set up the environment. It removed the commanders, recruit, apply the settings, and recycle, and start the trigger monitor as the last command. So let's fire up the MQ Explorer to verify the environment. As you see, we have three commanders in place. Kim1, these are the Q objects, channels, Kim2, and Kim3. Let's go back to Kim1. So the inquiry queue is the queue that we send a message to, the reply message to, and reply underscore to is the reply to queue alias. As the definition indicates that remote queue is answer, which is the local queue of the QM1 queue manager, and remote queue manager is m1.relief. These two parameters are to be filled in the MQMD of the request message sent to QM3. Pay attention that the answer queue depth is 0. Then let's use the utility to send the request message. Use the queue manager name as QM1. Yeah, look, if you see the localhost port 1414 is QM1, and queue name as inquiry. Load the test message. Yeah, basically it's a very short text. It cannot be too long, like 40K is too long. So in the MQMD tab, we set the MQ message format at MQ string, and message type is request. It has to be request. And reply to queue as reply underscore to, but leave the reply to commander blank. We leave the persistent message as no, and let's fire up the first request message. As you see that the message is sent to cam3, and also you check the answer queue to depth is echoed back. If you check the message itself, the persistence is not persistent, and the message type is reply. Note that reply to queue is answer, and reply to commander is qm1.relief, just as what we defined in the reply to alias. Then we send another persistent message by setting the persistent message as yes and write Q. The message is received. The response message is received, and if you check, the persistence is now persistent, and other parameters are the same. So let's stop the key manager and start it up. If you check back the answer queue, now the queue depth is 1. Why? For any questions or problem to this video, yeah, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.